my babies. They're 3 and their birthday. So I'm going to feed them first. Ow! Okay, they're done eating now. Okay, now they're going to play some games. So just wait, I'm just going to turn them on.
Now they're going to play chair game.
So the banana loose. And let's this part. Okay, perfect. Oh, wait.
What are you even doing?
Oh, this one loose. And my babies are the winners. Next, they're going to open gifts.
Okay, this is the gifts. And I'm gonna show you one by one.
So, here's some cereal, my baby's favorite food. So, I'm going to open this one first. There's a maze. And this maze is so hard. So, let me just open this.
Pakita mo yung maze.
Okay.
Ang harap.
So, here the names. So, let me just labas everything sa. There's still more.
Like that. Oh, you have card too.
So, here everyone so this baby gets this gift. And I'm just put this back.
What? Your feet is
So guys, my baby have this, so I'm just open this. Okay. Oh, we got to cut this one.
Yeah, we need to use
Oh,
scissors
there's
to open
Mr.
it.
What is this? Oh, I just got this scissors.
Yeah, be careful, maybe you'll cut the characters.
So I'm
Just throw it away. Okay, what's inside?
so we
Oh,
got,
you got the pink one. I think you have another one too.
so I got a pink one. And so let me see. Oh,
Oh, now you completed it. Okay, let's just organize it.
so guys, we forgot to do the nails. So I'm just gonna do it later when I open my other gifts. So I'm just doing something. Okay, now let's open this one. And you can get 2 mystery ones. And I can see a little bit red, so I'm just gonna get red. Okay, it's shaped like a square.
Yeah, it's a clay.
So I'm just balik this. That makes my baby's done playing with it.
She will be faster.
So I'm just balik. Wait, I'm just
Here you go.
here's the third gift, and this is my baby's favorite food. Okay, there's still some left. So bye guys. The video's done now.